The volume of data generated each day can get overwhelming to manage and analyze. But with the right analytics platform, this data can be turned into a goldmine of actionable insights for your business. That is exactly what MCA Connect's Business Analytics Solutions brings to the table. Our complete end-to-end analytics solution stack provides you with real-time, actionable, and accurate insights. Our data warehousing solution, Data Connect, which is built on Azure SQL, consolidates data from multiple sources to give you one version of the truth. It is pre-built for Microsoft Dynamics 365, but can easily be integrated into any environment and accessed from any device. Microsoft's Power BI then enables you to visualize that data through easy-to-understand charts, graphs, and dashboards. You can easily slice and dice to find business trends, gain quick insight, and drill down into the data to discover actionable details. Our predictive analytics solution, built on Microsoft Advanced Analytics and Power BI, fuels your organization with meaningful and measurable business performance improvements by highlighting proactive data. With machine learning built on Azure Machine Learning, you get the power to predict, adapt, and shape operations with record speed and precision. Our financial planning and analysis tools help you seamlessly build your own forecasts, budgets, and reports without ever needing your IT department to get involved. Fast, real-time business intelligence with the help of an experienced partner. MCA Connect. Contact us to get started today.